What's going to happen next here in our local real estate market? Let's talk about the top 3 hottest trends here on the Gulf Coast. Hi everyone, my name is Kim Dowling and I am the broker here at Coastal Luxury Partners, serving Sarasota, Manatee, and Pinellas. And I want to share with you the major trends that we are seeing in real estate. First and foremost, the numbers are out and the average homeowner gained over $26,000 in equity this past year. That's some pretty great news, as home equity gains hit $1.5 trillion at the end of 2020. The latest news, according to the CoreLogic Equity Report, is an average equity gain of $26,300 per homeowner in 2020. That's an increase of 16.2%, the largest average equity gain since 2013. The fact that home prices soared this past year has given our sellers a huge equity cushion, and we anticipate the equity gains are likely to continue through 2021 as demand for houses remains strong. So let's talk about that demand for a quick minute, which is our second major trend. Buyers are leaving their hometowns for the sunny coastline of Florida. Florida leads the list of top states that people are moving to. Americans are leaving the Northeast and heading south. And Florida is the most popular destination for cross-country movers. The top inbound states are Arizona, Texas, North Carolina, South Carolina, and Florida. Those 5 states lead the way. The top outbound states that Americans are moving away from are California, Illinois, New Jersey, Massachusetts, and New York. We look at these moves as migration patterns, and it's an important trend. Once you know where people are going, you can really make smart decisions on where you want to buy and invest in real estate. We also ask ourselves, why are people moving? The top 4 reasons are warmer weather states, they're looking for affordable housing, lower tax states, and then the rise of remote and virtual working. You can see why Florida is so popular and such a big draw. Warm weather and lower taxes are the top 2 biggest draws for buyers to move to our state. And with this exodus from New York and California and other outbound states, buyers are finding lower cost of living and bigger living spaces for their money. It's a better quality of life. The third hottest trend that we are still working with is single family homes, holding strong with continued price increases. And we are starting to see more inventory hitting the active market. We believe that inventory will continue to rise in 2021. Prices will stabilize a little bit and buyers will have more homes to choose from. It's still going to be a crazy market. Real estate will remain strong, but supply always comes on the heels of demand with every market. And we'll start to see more and more supply as we move into the spring and summer selling seasons. We will see a difference from 2020. More and more sellers are getting their homes ready for market. They're going to take advantage of their equity gains, and they are excited to sell for top dollar. Here at Coastal, we are preparing 7 homes for market this week. Our inventory is going to increase, and it's going to increase for 2 reasons. First, this past year, people have watched their home values rise. Every day, we surprise homeowners with their current home valuations. Sellers are surprised how much their homes are really worth today. And the second reason, we will see inventory rise simply because families have spent a lot of time at home this past year and they've realized they need a change in bedrooms, square footage, flex space, amenities, so many reasons, and they are going to use the equity that they have in their current homes to make that change. People want their homes to match their new lifestyles and they're ready to make a move this year. So as we move forward, we have all the reasons that you may need as you make a decision on whether or not now is the time to sell your home. Of course, we can give you a current home value as you're thinking about your options moving forward. And I appreciate and thank you for spending a few minutes of your day with me as we take a look at the hottest trends in real estate today. Number 1, homeowners are sitting on a tremendous amount of equity. Number 2, Florida is on the top of the list of inbound states buyers are moving to. And number 3, and of course, out with the old and in with the new. Homeowners are ready for a change and they are getting their homes ready to sell. And we will see a steady increase in inventory this year. So reach out with any questions. We are happy to be of help and we are always a phone call away.